Welcome to this tutorial on how to remove your tags from multiple posts on Facebook using your PC. If you've been tagged in a bunch of posts and want to clean up your profile, this guide is for you. First, let's get started by opening facebook.com on your web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Activity Log. This is where you can manage all your Facebook activities, including posts you've been tagged in. Under your Facebook activity, look for the option Activity You're Tagged In, and click on it. This will take you to a page showing all the posts and comments where you've been tagged. Now, click on Posts and Comments You're Tagged In. Here you'll see a list of all the posts where your name appears. To remove tags from multiple posts at once, check the boxes next to each post you want to untag yourself from. Once you've selected all the posts, click on the Remove Tags button. You'll get a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to remove these tags. Confirm the action, and Facebook will remove your name from those posts. Removing tags doesn't delete the posts themselves, it just removes your association with them. This is a great way to declutter your profile and avoid unwanted notifications from posts you don't want to be associated with. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and easily remove tags from multiple posts on Facebook. This feature is especially useful if you've been tagged in a lot of old posts, or if you want to maintain a more private online presence. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial helps you manage your Facebook tags more efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below.